why are you holding on so tight, dude?
I'm not holding on.
Mike getting a little nervous.
He's looking over the edge over here like.
Woo! What's up and good morning, fellas, ladies and gentlemen. How are you guys? It's officially 3:34 in the morning. You know what this means? Airport time. Gonna head over, pick up Mike right now. It is too early for this though, but we do this for you guys. We do this for you guys, seriously. But let's get over to the airport. My eyes are barely open. Oh my gosh. Wah. Got me a Celsius. Let's get on the road. All right, guys, we are boarding. It's time to get on the plane and head over to see you guys. We made it to Colorado Springs, but on the way here in between Denver and Colorado Springs and our layover, we found out that our packages that we had shipped for restock for the show weren't going to make it, that they were undeliverable. For some reason, somehow, when I went online and I screenshotted the address, it was one digit off. And I don't know how that happened. I screenshot on purpose because I didn't want to mistype the address, and it was typed incorrectly, but for some reason online it had the wrong address. So they brought it back to the FedEx hub, which that's where we're at right now. We're standing in front of them, so we're just hoping and crossing our fingers that our packages are here for the show. If not, we're gonna have some pretty empty tables because we sold out in Atlanta. So we've been going back and forth on the phone with them and going with our sales rep and customer service, and we're able to drive over here. So hopefully we're crossing our fingers that they are here. As of right now, they're not updating the system, so don't know what's gonna happen. I'm really crossing my fingers because if not, we flew out here and drove out here for no reason. Yeah, be interesting. All right, getting the last package in. Man, thank God for FedEx because they saved our butts right now. They had all 7 packages. Oh, it's hot in the car. They had all 7 packages, and they saved us. And everyone in there was so nice and helpful. Thank you guys.
So after we got our packages, we decided to do a little sightseeing, go around some old ghost towns, some ghost towns that are being revived as well. Went to go check out Garden of the Gods and go see Bouncing Rock. But we definitely need to get back into town because we have our packages now. Now it's time to hit the show and do what we came here for.
All right, guys, so yesterday we had a great time over. We just did a whole bunch of off-roading, a whole bunch of jeeping yesterday. We had a great tour guide. His name was Skit. And man, we had such a great time out there. After that, we actually were able to go visit Eric. And I don't know if you guys remember Eric. I'll post a picture right here. But Eric used to be one of our old employees, and he's still a really good friend. He has a major part of Hoppo's, and he's still part of the family. So he moved out here about 2 years ago now. So after our little Jeep adventure, we ended up going to his house and kind of hanging out, having some dinner, and just having a few drinks and kicking back. So that was a good time catching up with him and his wife. It was freaking amazing to see him and see him doing so well out here. So now we're trying to make our way over to the facility to get all the last of our product in that we almost lost. So now I'm gonna try to get in here. I already made one wrong turn, so let me see how I get in here real quick. I'm pulling in right here. I see the lowrider rig. That means all of our product's gonna be right here. So look who we got here. What you got there, man? Hell yeah, thank you. With the bike in the back.
Bike and all.
Bike and all. Oh, double. So I decided to take out a little stroll right now, go out to the outside, check out the cars, and just kind of see what was going on the outside of the show. Because inside, the concert was cracking. Mac 10 was on stage. Everyone was going crazy. And obviously, you know, with the concert, it gets loud, it gets crazy. It got to a point where we couldn't even do any sales at the booth. So we just kind of kicked back, enjoy the show, enjoy the concert as well. But after that, we had planned a whole dinner for all the guys that helped and supported us throughout the show. So we went out, cruised the boulevard for a little bit, and then we hit a nice, good dinner. Oh, here comes Jason showing off. You got Back to Basics in the house right here. This is our Colorado crew holding it down in the streets all the time. You guys will see them on IG. If you guys don't follow them on IG, make sure you guys go follow them. Colorado Minis, Back to Basics. These guys are freaking killing it out in the streets, and they're out there tearing up the Z-Racks. Loving it, man. Well, there you go, ladies and gentlemen. Just like that, the show is wrapped up. We are done. And just like the show, we came in and we're gone. But the memories that we made there last a lifetime with us. We got to see our good buddies. Got to see Eric and his wife Elena. Got to see our good buddies out in Colorado Springs. It was a good time. Lowrider staff, thank you guys. For everyone that helped us move in and move out, thank you guys. Sketch, you're absolutely amazing tour guide out there. And just like that, guys, we are out of here. We'll see you next time. But wait, before you guys go, if you guys haven't already subscribed, make sure you guys do so. And give us a like, share, follow. Visit our website, www.hopplesonline.com.